Apply this to your windowsills, and bugs won't come near your home. All you need is regular VapoRub and a cotton swab. Take a little bit of the ointment on the tip of the swab and spread it carefully along the corners of the windowsill and around the window seals. The scent and ingredients create a barrier that insects like ants, mosquitoes, and cockroaches simply can't stand. My uncle, the gardener, has always done this. Grate soap around the plants in the garden. The soap creates a natural repellent barrier. It disrupts the scent trails used by pests. It protects plants from snails, ants, and other unwanted guests. No need for chemicals or complicated solutions. Just a simple bar of soap is enough. This foil is a lifesaver for your home. Prepare a medium-sized bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee is an inexpensive and eco-friendly product with many benefits. Next, take a handful of bay leaves, crush them into small pieces, and add them to the coffee. Also, add a teaspoon of ground pepper. Any type will work. Mix everything well until combined. Take a piece of aluminum foil and cut off a wide section. Place a tablespoon of the prepared mixture onto the foil and fold it tightly to create a closed pouch, preferably in a rectangular shape. Then, take a toothpick and make small holes on one side of the pouch. Place the pouches on your kitchen counter. Insects will avoid these areas. You can also put the pouches in your shoes. This simple and inexpensive trick will help you get rid of flies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches in your home. This is my secret method for dealing with various insects in the house. With this trick, you can get rid of ants, cockroaches, spiders, silverfish, and even bed bugs. This spray will also prevent them from coming back. First, pour 500 milliliters of water into a pan. Add a handful of cloves, then pour in 250 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Add 100 milliliters of alcohol and dissolve 2 lemon-flavored effervescent tablets. Insects hate citrus scents. Once the tablets stop bubbling, mix everything well. Then transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Now you have a ready-to-use natural insect spray. Spray it in all the places insects love the most, such as plants, windowsills, doors, and corners. Remember to apply it regularly to keep bugs away. Try it yourself and see how effective this homemade solution is. Mix garlic with dish soap. The result will surprise you. This simple trick helps you get rid of ants, cockroaches, spiders, silverfish, and even bed bugs. The spray also keeps them from coming back. Ever since I started using it, I haven't seen a single insect in my home. Grab a pan and 1 fresh head of garlic. You'll need 4 cloves. Garlic has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and its strong smell repels bugs. Peel the cloves and place the skins in the pan. Pour in about 200 milliliters of water and stir. Let the garlic skins boil in the water. Once it comes to a boil, let it cool for a bit. Strain the mixture into a container, add 3 tablespoons of alcohol, and stir. Then add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and mix again. The dish soap will leave your home smelling fresh. Finally, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spritz it on all your countertops. I guarantee you won't see another bug in your house. Pour this onto toilet paper, and you won't believe the benefits. Start by taking a paper towel or toilet paper and tearing off 1 piece. Now, grab some ground coffee. Coffee has a strong aroma. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee to the center of the paper. Next, squeeze a strip of toothpaste onto the coffee. Toothpaste contains menthol, fluoride, and other strong-smelling ingredients. Now, take a few bay leaves and grind them into a fine powder using a grinder. Bay leaves contain eugenol and essential oils that have a powerful repelling scent. Finally, take a handful of cloves and add them to the mix. Now, fold the paper and start rolling it into a tube. Place the rolled paper inside a tall glass jar. Then, put the jar near a window. Light the paper on fire. This mixture releases a strong scented smoke that repels scent-sensitive insects. Flies, ants, and even cockroaches will avoid areas where they smell it. This is a natural way to keep insects away without using expensive chemical products. Pour the vinegar into the mint. This combination has an unexpected use. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Thanks to its strong scent, mint is a natural repellent. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 300 milliliters of hot water, stir and let it cool. Then, prepare a second glass container and a strainer with cheesecloth. Strain the mint infusion and add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Moreover, its sharp scent repels pests. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply. This homemade remedy works as a protective shield against mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, and other insects. Just spray it where pests appear or where they may enter the house. It's a simple yet extremely effective solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Rub garlic on your doors. It's an old trick every seasoned homemaker once knew. And it works better than you'd think. Peel the garlic cloves, every single one. You probably know garlic from the kitchen, but its true power goes far beyond flavor. It contains one of the most potent natural compounds. To activate it, you need to prepare it properly. Cut off the tip of each clove. This is the key step. That's when garlic releases allicin, a natural compound with a strong smell and protective effect. That's what makes this trick so effective. Gently rub the garlic on your front door. No need to scrub, just a thin layer will do. For even better results, rub it onto balcony doors, window frames, and thresholds too. The strong, pungent smell of garlic repels insects like ants, cockroaches, bedbugs, and spiders. It overwhelms their senses. It's a natural protective barrier that no unwanted guest likes. Pure nature that keeps pests away from your home. No chemicals, no cost, no risk. Rub garlic on your doors. It's an old trick every seasoned homemaker once knew. And it works better than you'd think. Peel the garlic cloves, every single one. You probably know garlic from the kitchen, but its true power goes far beyond flavor. It contains one of the most potent natural compounds. To activate it, you need to prepare it properly. Cut off the tip of each clove. This is the key step. That's when garlic releases allicin, a natural compound with a strong smell and protective effect. That's what makes this trick so effective. Gently rub the garlic on your front door. No need to scrub, just a thin layer will do. For even better results, rub it onto balcony doors, window frames, and thresholds too. The strong, pungent smell of garlic repels insects like ants, cockroaches, bedbugs, and spiders. It overwhelms their senses. It's a natural protective barrier that no unwanted guest likes. Pure nature that keeps pests away from your home. No chemicals, no cost, no risk.